There are over 1,000 registered lawyers in the Bahamas, but last week 4 of them were arrested and today one was even charged before a magistrate. Does this give the Bahamas Bar Association a bad name? Well, BBA President Ruth Bodarval insists such incidents are isolated ones.
It's rather unfortunate that in the past few weeks, several of our members have been brought into some sort of public ridicule because of various charges of misappropriation in their practices. Unfortunately, this week, in the last week, I think it's 3 reported cases, 1 being charged, unfortunately, today. We've had other people in the past who have been charged. I guess it will get the attention of all those other lawyers who are out there maybe mishandling clients' funds, that they should get their houses in order and not go against the Bar Code of Conduct, where they ought not to be intermingling, misappropriating, or dishonestly handling any client's funds, and that they should deal with their clients fairly and honestly. It is a very serious offense.
Mrs. Bodarval said the BBA has its own disciplinary system for members of the bar, a process with which she said the public is impatient.
The public needs to know that the Bar Association has in its Legal Profession Act disciplinary procedures for the disciplining of its lawyers. This process is a due process, and the public comes into the bar office and would lay a complaint. It goes to an independent committee of the bar. It's called the Ethics Committee, which investigates the complaint. If it is found that the complaint is justified, then the complaint is referred to a disciplinary tribunal, which is headed by a judge of the Supreme Court. It's properly prosecuted, and there are several different penalties, the ultimate penalty, of course, being the disbarment of the lawyer.
However, she warned against the public retaining crooked lawyers.
Crooked people go to crooked lawyers. Crooked people go to crooked lawyers, and they perpetuate the problems. Tell me why should I have complaints from people who are still going to disbarred lawyers? Last week, one man wrote me about still doing business with 2. One, a disbarred lawyer, and one, a lawyer who is on suspension pending disbarment. That is the public. They continue to do business with these lawyers. I cannot help them.
Mrs. Bodarval said the Bar Council will continue to send a strong message to its members that crooked lawyers will not be tolerated. For JCN News, I'm Sasha.